Alright, in today's video, we are going to demo a Windows tip. So basically, how to display computer info on desktop. There's a different utilities can do that. For this demo, we're going to use the BGinfo from Microsoft. And let's get started. So on the internet, I'm going to do a quick search. And so I called BGinfo and the download. So BGinfo is part of the sys internals. So basically, that is developed by the people and from Microsoft. So we're going to just do a download, and you can download here. It's a basic download the zip file, or you can just download the directory, just download. So I'm going to use this one. So you're going to download it called bginfo.exe. So I'm going to, if you don't have internet, the server don't have internet, you can just download and stage there. Okay, so all right, so now this is the executables I'm download in this folder, so I'm going to click it. Okay, once you accept the license, and you see this is basically the setting. So we will configure this setting. So before we do that, let's do a where it is, and I missed somewhere. Okay, so BGinfo. Okay, here it is. So I close the window. So you can see it is display on your desktop all those information. Oh, it's where it is. So disappear again. Okay, let me see. Let me try one more time. All right, here it is. So to customize, you can just remove the one you want and why just keep closing. And that's interesting. Okay, so let's continue. And it's probably because I closed the background window. So let's see, I don't want this volume. Okay, so I'm going to remove this volume. And then preview again. You see the volume is gone. So also, let's see, we want the positions. Let's see, I like on this corner. So I'm gonna, you see here it is. And so lots of information probably we don't want. For example, I really don't need the IE version, right? So we can just remove. And whatever things you like on display or don't like, you can add back. Okay, if you want to add back, you just from this list to choose one, two. So let me just remove some unwanted, like gateway, CPU, those information, and free space. So network card, network speed. So I'm just make it shorter. So only want to see like some more important information like OS version, username, memory, domain, and I don't need a MAC address. I don't need the logon server. I only keep one of these, like, for example, machine domain and IP address. So that should be pretty good enough. Okay, so that is, for example, if you want to have the boot time, you can have the boot time as well. And I'm going to remove this as well, just to make it short. Okay, so I keep like 6 lines for this demo. And so after that, so there's also like a background. You choose different background, and also let's do a preview again, and apply. Okay, so they have the basic information. Every time you log on, it's here. However, and this information might lost every time reboot. Okay, so that is probably all you can do is you can save this setting into that startup. I'm not going to do that, but for example, you can see save as. You can save this setting to a file. Let's see. We're going to call it my BGinfo dot BGI. So let's see. We're gonna save it on desktop. All right, let's continue. So I'm going to apply. Okay. Okay. Now you see this is the file. We can put into the startup just if we want to after server reboot. Okay, so what we did is download, run the setup, and custom the display. And each time if you not satisfied, so let's see, let's go back to this program. So you see, for example, I want to change the background. You see here, and this is black. So let's see. I'm going to see. Okay, I'm take black. Okay, preview, line. Okay, and maybe we change later. So okay, so let's see. I want the something back. Okay, let me see. Let's see. I want the free space. I want a free space come back, free space. So I added back. You see, I added the free space back. You can change the order. And so preview. You see the free space there, apply. Okay. All right. So yeah, that's it for this short tip, just how to put the computer info, and at least give a quick review what the server name, the IP address, OS version, and so on and so forth. All right, so that's for this video.